tuning in this morning, I'm assuming it's probably like my house right now with my wife and 3 kids trying to get ready for school. A bit of chaos because you got to get back into those routines. And the holidays, yeah, they brought some stuff. So there might be a struggle right now. You're not alone. Joining us this morning to help us get our kids motivated, organized, and set up for success is education experts and BT friend Ruth Rumack. Good morning, Ruth.
Good morning. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, I bet you households right across
oh my
the country.
Chaos.
Yeah.
Probably chaos.
Yeah.
But I'm here to give you a few little tips on how to stay a little more focused and motivated over the year.
What's the SMART goals?
SMART goals. SMART goals are things that you have to think about. They are specific, they are measurable, they are attainable, they're relevant, and they are time-bound. So when you choose a goal, you want to make sure you're answering all of those questions in order to make sure that your goal is attainable.
I'm somebody that loves routine. Our kids are somebody that like routine as well. And when you get out of that routine,
so hard.
Getting back into it.
So hard. It's such a struggle.
How can we do a smooth transition towards that?
I think conversation is really important and front-loading it. So you want to start having conversations. I know we're back to school already, but we can keep having those conversations about, you know, what does morning look like? What does the pickup look like? What does homework time look like? And then we also want to think forward about goals for the rest of the school year, because we're halfway there, but we still have a half a year to go.
Okay. Vision boards that you have here.
Yes.
What are these all about, Ruth?
I am so excited about this. I think that vision boards are a really great way to set intentions for the year and to help you stay focused and to stay motivated and also help you with that growth mindset. Like, you may not be there now, but you will be there. You're not there yet, but you're getting there.
You're not doing the vision board for your kids. They're doing it themselves.
No, and I would actually suggest to do a family vision board as well.
Okay.
So we have lots of supplies. You can take magazines, you can take pictures from the internet, there are tons of templates out there. And what we want to do is get them to think about what they want. For a younger child, we might talk about what do they want to get better at for the next 3 or 4 months? What do they want to do? Where do they want to travel? What experiences do they want to have? When we get to older kids, we want to think about more academic goals. You know, how do they want to see themselves in the future, where they want to end up? And then for older students, maybe high school students, we're really thinking about career-focused and future-focused.
I love this one over here.
Which one?
This one, #1 goal.
Yes.
Finishing all my homework.
Finishing all my homework.
What? Really? Oh, that is a good goal.
It's a goal, right?
I know it is.
And as this one says, it's progress, not perfection.
Yeah.
So we're moving towards it. We're getting there.
Okay, organizing your workspace.
Workspace is so important. You have to have a tidy and accessible workspace so that you can get your work done efficiently. So I suggest a caddy where you've got everything that you need and no excuses. You've got pencils, erasers, you've got a hole punch, you've got a pencil sharpener. No more that I have to sharpen my pencil. No, we got it. We're done. Takes only 2 seconds.
Does each kid have one of these if you have more than one?
You know, you could, or
Yeah.
you could have a central one that moves around.
Right.
Maybe, you know what, better to have everybody has their own, and then they have their favorite things that they can go back
Yeah,
to.
because they each have their own cubby, and then those cubbies get kind of out of control, so you got to keep them organized.
I love it.
Okay.
And then you can also make the space nice and inviting. So
Sure.
a nice lamp, good seating,
Right.
maybe even aromatherapy, something for the senses to keep you going.
Yeah, and then you got, so what do we got down here in the end? This is a calendar set up?
Calendars, agendas, these are key. We cannot stay organized without some method of keeping all this information. So I know a lot of schools have their own intranet or their own portal, but even when kids fight me on this, my students fight me on this all the time, write it down in your own handwriting or put it in your own notes so that you can go back to it and look at it in your own time.
You've been in education for years and years and years. What have you noticed of the changes that have come in over all those years?
Oh my goodness. Well, you know what? As the more things change, the more they stay the same.
Yeah.
And I think that kids really need support. They need good coaching. They need motivation. They need to be strategic about what they're doing. And they need to have what I call a scope and sequence, where they start at one place and then they end at the other. The goal is in mind.
Yeah, and even, we got to go, but the extra help, even a little
Yes.
bit of tutoring if possible.
You know what? As much as you can do outside of the school system can be really helpful for students who are struggling.
Yeah. Where can we follow you, Ruth?
Ruth Rumack at ruthrumack.com.
Hey, thanks so much, Ruth, and good luck to you as you're getting the kids ready for school. Pets, though, when it comes to getting back into routines, Devo, like throughout the holidays, everybody's kind of kicking around and they're just kind of lazing around. Now they have to kind of get up with the kids. So let's get over to Devo for Pet Celebration.